that good? No, I don't have skin. Mm.
You know what that is?
Well, really? No, you're wrong. There.
It's just a dog.
No, it's not. That's there. I will take that out later.
Okay.
No, it's better not.
I actually think that's probably from the fish last night. When it spiked through.
Yeah, I think so. Man, I need salt. Shit.
Over on the left hand side, they have soy, they have other things there.
Oh, what?
See that over there?
There? I think this is chili.
Oh,
Shit. Gosh,
maybe the other one.
that's me.
And we got another one. What's the other one?
I think that's all. Is it ready? Not ready? Is it ready?
Yeah.
Have I got ginger in it?
No ginger.
Is that extra?
Yeah,
It's
extra.
extra. Oh god. Thank you. Cut you too.
No, right?
Yeah, but
I've got a fork. If you've got a fork, then you put both up. Fish.
how about our raw mango mukbang? Can you still have it? We need to eat that
Later.
because tomorrow the mango will get stuff.
So tomorrow I'm working in Sydney, so work from home. So.
Ah, there is oyster sauce there. I need to mix.
And teriyaki sauce. Little bit.
Oh, ah, lucky I have dark clothes. Is that sweet potato?
No, I think it's pumpkin.
Is that good? Mm.
Pumpkin or something.
The outside is very good,
Mm-hmm.
and inside is very.
That's the temperature.
Mm-hmm. Full.
You had pizza as well, right?
Huh?
You had pizza.
Yeah, I take 2 pictures. Yeah, that's why. Two slices of pizza. And then now food.
Oh.
Enjoy while it lasts. Because Wednesday go back to reality again.
And you only had like steak, pork, chicken, and rice.
Lamb, pork, chicken, rice. Lamb, pork, chicken, rice. Lamb, pork, chicken, rice. Ice
So-
cream, cake, fruit, lamb, pork, chicken, rice. Lamb, pork, chicken, rice.
It's a hard life, right?
It's very hard life. We're having that every day. Lamb, pork, chicken, beef, rice. I love it. Enjoy what is long. They don't use magic syrup there. What did they call a healthy food? Because there is no magic syrup.
They say there's a lot of people sensitive to it.
Mm-hmm.
MSG.
Mm.
Wow.
But I think it's not the MSG. It is the food that you eat.
MSG has an effect, but some people are more sensitive to it than others.
Yeah, because they avoided it.
Yeah.
They think that it is not good.
Good, right? It's like mixed with potato, carrot.
Ma, are you hungry? Ah, that's yours.
Oh.
Oh, you didn't try this. You need to try this. I would say. Right. Enjoy while it lasts. Wednesday, back to reality. watching. Maybe this is Rachel,
Mm.
the growth of my life. Is that you?
Mm. Not me, not this time.
Maybe the growth of my life.
The root of your life.
She is the growth of my life. I am the growth of her life too. I need toilet tissue.
Mm.
Where am I get it now?
Mm.
I need tissues.
Mm.
It's I have enough. It's a lot.
It's like rice bubbles. Like rice bubbles.
Yeah?
No problem.
That's just fine.
Mm.
No, no. Oh God. I feel like I eat a lot. Ah. So excited. Maybe we'll have our raw mango mukbang like
Mm.
not because so full.
Yeah, do it late afternoon.
Mahal, I think. Remember when I make dried fish, but I just put it outside? And Ima, she put it in the freezer
Really?
to preserve it. Because soon, if you just put it outside, it will get moldy.
Mm.
Now I know how to, even if I make a lot of dry. I was thinking maybe I'll make dried fish all in one fish. Just put it in the freezer.
Well,
Hello
usually-
to viewers.
She usually
Huh?
you usually put it in the pantry, don't you?
Yeah, and later on we'll put it.
Mm. I suppose it depends on how much salt.
Even if you put a lot of salt, I still need to. Bye bye to viewers. God bless us all. It's Sunday. Bye. Say bye, Mahal.